Okay guys, I'm live, and I'm working on my landscape dictionary for history, geography. Let's title it Landscape. Come on, okay, this is so... Landscape Dictionary Project. Okay, well, the first letter that we're doing is A, which makes sense because it's the first letter of the alphabet. But, comment down below comment what font it should be. What's your favorite font? I'm gonna put in Happy Monkey right now. Make the letter 25. That does not look big enough. Okay, let's go 40. Oh geez. That's still not big enough. We gotta go 50. It still doesn't look big enough. Like what is this? Does that look big enough? I don't know. Let's go 55. Okay, that's good. Now put this back at 14. That looks so small now. Okay, whatever. Landscapes that start with A. Ooh, okay, landscapes that start with A. You know what, let's search landscapes A to Z. Oh. A to Z landscapes. Oh, that's a business. Landscapes that start with A. What are the different types of landscapes? Oh, should I do landforms, maybe? An A to Z glossary of landform vocabulary words with definitions. Okay, let's do that. Landforms, know your vocabulary. There's an archipelago. A group of islands are cluster islands, usually found in the open sea. Okay, let's just do that. Wait, how do you spell it? Okay. Okay. I don't know what to write for it, so it is 5 people long. Hi, Abby. Abby Schmidt. Okay. Hi, Aileen. Students will create a dictionary of geographical landform terms for each letter of the alphabet. The students will define the landform. Okay, so we have to define it. Definition. A group of islands or cluster islands usually found in the open sea. Okay, usually found in the open sea. This is so boring to watch. Okay. List examples. Examples. And the location. Okay, and then we need pictures. Examples and location would be okay, so Fiji is okay, Fiji location. It's a location would be a country in the South Pacific. So do you have to write it in sentences? I didn't really look through the example ones. Hi Annie. Oh, you weren't here today. Never mind. I was gonna ask you a question. But hi. I'm doing the Landform Dictionary project right now. You know, let's start this over. Okay. So, in something is, oh come on, then how do you spell it? Oh, it's group of islands or who's Haley Pitt? Is Blake? Who's Haley Pitt? No, it's not Miss Klein. Who's Haley Pitt? Cluster of islands usually found in open sea. How much spacing is this? Okay, that's what I thought. No, JD's name is like something Millie Bobby Brown. Okay. Okay, so I have part of A done. I have the definition. Now I need examples. Get some more yogurt. Well, okay. Fiji, located in the South Pacific. Is an example of an, okay, what is happening? Okay. It's an example of an archipelago. I mean, like, how many landforms start with A? I know. I know we only have to do A, but I was writing down people's homework, so I didn't have time to do it. So, okay, whatever, I'm just, yeah. Like, okay. Okay, so... No viewers. Huh. Whatever. Florida Keys. Okay, so it's... Okay, so... located about 15 miles south of Miami. And even the entire nation of Japan. What would you even put for, like, the location of Japan? Like, country in Asia? Message retracted, Wong Tong. Why'd you get your message retracted? What'd you say? Or examples. The Florida Keys look above. I said won't ring. Okay. Well, Florida Keys look about 15 miles south of Miami, and even the entire nation of Japan, country in Asia, are examples of an archipelago. I still don't know how to spell it. Pelago. Okay. Now let's put some pictures. Images. Okay. This looks cool. I want to go to Fiji. Bah. Oh, nope, okay. Drag and drop. Oh, that's really big. Shout out to Abby Schmidt. I'll give you like shout out to Jimbo's. No problem, Abby. Okay, and then I need another picture. Florida Keys. Us. No. Put here. Okay. That's really big. Break text and get smaller. There's something about it. Okay, I have two pictures, and this is what it looks like. So, I've got A, and then I have that things, then I have, oh, sorry, these pictures. So, yep. This is getting really long. So, I'm gonna do my other homework. Now I have, what else do I have? Oh, you guys like my little notebook planner thing? Science. No, oh, I just put my Chromebook down. I just... That's okay. I'll just... I'm like stuck. My chair's actually like down. If the bed wasn't there, then I would have like fell all the way. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I wish I could like edit that out. Well, put it in, but T. No. Get rid of it. Open my science book. Log in. It's my password. Okay, it works. And I just have to, what do I have to do? Oh, to review, and I'm just gonna do that on Let's Leave because let's open. Nope, not that. This. Okay. Well, just open up to the lesson review that I have. And since I don't have my science notebook, I'm just gonna do it on loose leaf. Oh, I already started it anyway, on loose leaf. It's my pen. I'm gonna put this pencil. Internet not available, but it's working. My gosh. Technology. It's like my pencil case. I got it from the dollar store. Got a lot of my stuff from the dollar store. I got these pens from the dollar store. Okay, so let's open up to page NOS 8, maybe. See if that works. Oh. Yeah, I got one more over. Wait, guys, look at this monkey. Oh. Look at this. 1 second. Let me just get this out of the way. Look at this dude. Like, what even is that? What is that? Oh. Okay. This is not... Well, this stuff is kind of... What? Oh, there you go. Now let's zoom in. Oh, dang. That's a lot of zoom in. Just work with it. Open up the glossary. One second. Okay, okay, well, good for you. Okay, well, how many people's homework did you have to do? Gee, you're in task force and you didn't do anything. Yeah, I did 2 people's homework. Where is this thing? Oh, man. This is annoying. I asked for your help and you said you got it. Yeah, because it wasn't a lot. But it's still... And his homework was... Okay, so... They have the weirdest definition for critical thinking. It's like comparing, compare and contrast critical thinking and inference. I'm just like writing the definitions and then combining them. Right now I'm in science, and I don't know. I don't want to do this. Okay, so I'm done with those questions. Well, I still have more, but that was it for the vocabulary questions. Understand key concepts. Number 5. Which should not be part of a scientific inquiry. Bias, analysis, hypothesis, testing. Obviously bias. So that's A. Okay. Number 6 is describe 4 real-life examples of results of scientific investigations. What? 4 real-life examples of the results of scientific investigations. I don't know what to put. Okay, what do you guys like better? Like cat pens or clicky pens? This pen goes, instead of going like this and then you push that again, you click the side. 4 real-life examples of the results of scientific investigations. Ballpoint pen. Yeah, this actually is a ballpoint pen. Actually, no, it's not. Wait. I don't know. See, 4. Oh, science. This chair's so loud. Scientific. What was it? You want a shout out? I think. What'd you say? I missed it. I was looking at my Chromebook. You want a shout out? Yeah? Okay, shout out to Julian Gonzalez. Scientific. Wait, what is it? Scientific investigations. Scientific investigations. Let's look at 4 scientific investigations. 4 real-life examples of scientific investigations. Okay, I found something. Narc narc. What does that mean? Live streaming you doing homework. This could technically be cheating if you're giving out answers. Well, then just don't take my answers. Okay, so one of them is, this is not going to be a sentence. Who's there? Who's there? Well, Gee, saying you're the smartest kid in the class, that's not, well, I mean, obviously you're not the most humble. Your mom who? Dab, dab, dab. Dab on the haters. What does that even mean? One second. Cool, Jacob, you're watching the live. By the way, guys, the intro and outro are gonna change. Yeah, Liz. One second. Okay, okay, something keeps like moving. I'm haunted. I don't know. Let's go back. Whoa. I'm on Cancer. Well, um, won't you help me? Okay. I need one more. Oh, it's like not working. Hand to eye credit. No bot commands? What does that mean? I don't know. Okay. Okay, well, now I'm on number 7. What is happening? Why is it so glitching? 4 ways a scientist can reduce bias in science. Why am I supposed to know this? Um, 4 ways a scientist can reduce bias in scientific investigations. Comment down below what your favorite school subject is and what your least is. So, is by not giving personal opinions, values, beliefs. What is another one? What are you writing right now? My science homework. Because I was stuck doing everyone else's homework. Like writing it. Reading homework? We didn't have reading homework. Science. This boy over here is like, has no clue what he's talking about. This is so long. But it's okay. Opinions, values, beliefs, and I don't know. Opinions, values, beliefs, and attitudes. Yes. I could always also put feelings. 4, that's 4. Okay. Number 8. Then draw a graphic organizer. This is an example of how to test a hypothesis. I don't remember reading that. To actually draw one, make it small. Four ways to test a hypothesis. Art class sucks. It does. She's like, well, today we're doing this one, coloring this one thing that I don't know what it had to do with art, but like the most art we did was coloring it. Okay. Well, I know, right? LOL. Okay. Ow. My chair just poked me. Okay, let's close out these tabs, and I don't want to really look in the book, but what is this? Oh, cool. Okay. I'm spamming. My chair is better Yeah, probably because it didn't poke you, and because my chair is so noisy. It's like this stuff. It's like stuff. Like, and this is what poked me. Right here. Basically just like coming out, and I need a new chair. So, wood? It's not wood. Well, I mean, yeah, it's wood, but it's like straw. Well, like, I don't know. It's kind of basic. It's like this stuff. See, it's like foldable. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull this whole thing out. That's a bad idea. 40 minutes? I don't know what to do. Okay, so 4 ways to test a hypothesis. So test the likelihood that it'll be true. Test how likely it would be true. Step 2, set the criteria for a decision. Compute the test the hypothesis. I don't know. Set the criteria for a decision. Yes. Okay, well, I messed that up. Compute the test stat. Oh, compute the test statistic. Are you going to? No. No. Compute the test statistic. And then make a decision. That's not really... Whatever. Who else here? Okay, next question, number 9. Why do you think people believe some theories even if they are not supported by credible evidence? People believe some theories because they want to. You're welcome. Okay, number 10. In a magazine, you read that two scientific investigations attempted to answer the same question. However, the two teams of scientists came to opposite conclusions. How do you decide which investigation was valid? This isn't working. Pen is like not working on this paper, but it's working really good on this paper. I'm just gonna grab another pen. No, I'm gonna just use red. Okay, I'm done. What do we have to do for the geography project? For the geography project, you do the letter. So you do the letter, and then you find a landform that matches that letter. Then you write some, like a few, like examples of like where it is, and then where they're located. Did you? Okay. Shout out to Brendan Hayes. I'm just giving people shout outs on this. What? Okay, that is crap. Shout out to Jacob Tanoka for being a jerk. Well, I'm done with science. Well, not done with science yet. I still have a video to watch. Shout out to Tyler W. Well, now I have to. Nope. Now I have to watch a video and then do something else. So. I'm just gonna end it. Nope. Should I end it here? For now? No, okay. Well, let me just open the video. But all I have to do is like write the Brain Pop. You guys know Brain Pop. Write the like order that they use. The Mysteries of Life with Tim and Moby.
Dear Tim and Moby, I'm watering my plant all the time and its leaves are still turning brown. What's going wrong? From Ben. Well, you could just look up the plant in the gardening book, but this is a really great opportunity to talk about scientific methods. Often, when people are trying to understand the world around them, they come across a problem they just don't know the answer to. This is where the step-by-step methods of scientific problem solving come into play. Looks like Moby's having the same problem with his plant. The first step in scientific problem solving is to recognize the problem. Right.
Okay, so it's called pop video. Identify the problem.
The plant is dying even though it's getting water every day. Why? To solve this problem, we first need to understand what we already know. Okay, plants need water. What kind of plant is that?
What would be next and understand stuff you already know? Okay, and then... Nope, I'm not giving you the answers to the math worksheet because I'm not doing math yet.
Now we need to make some observations about the plant. The leaves are brown and falling off, and the soil is wet and squishy.
And soil is wet and squishy. So step 3. I don't think I had to write that for step 2, but step 3 is what? Make observation.
Next, we make an inference. An inference is a conclusion about our observations.
Step 4, make an
From what we
inference.
observed, we could infer that Moby is watering his plant too much. Now we translate our inference into a hypothesis. Well, a hypothesis is any statement we can test with an experiment. What about fig plants should only be watered once a week? Well, sure, it's just a guess, but after our observations, at least it's an educated guess. We'll need to come up with an experiment to test this hypothesis. Here's the plan. We've got 3 healthy fig plants marked A, B, and C. They have the same type of pot, same soil, and they're getting the same amount of sunlight, so the only variable is the amount of water they'll be getting. Plant A will not be watered at all. Plant B will be watered every day. And plant C will be watered once a week. We'll check back in a month to see what's happened. Well, you know, it's been a month and I'm still wearing the same shirt. Let's record some new observations. Plant A doesn't look too good. B doesn't look so hot either. Whoa there, plant C is doing all right. Time to analyze our data. Based on this experiment and our observations, it looks like the fig plant did best when it was only watered once a week. From that, we can conclude that fig plants grow best when they're watered once a week. Now we get to tell other people about our results and spread the word that fig plants only need watering once a week. Well, yeah, to be really sure, we should repeat this experiment several times, just to rule out accidents and variables that we may have forgotten to consider.
Then
But you get the
that's
point.
it.
Using scientific methods can help you.
So, that's it for science. And now I'm on math. So, have fun watching me work out some math problems. Which, I mean, they're pretty easy. So, why didn't, okay. It's pretty easy for math. It's literally odds and evens. So, and I'm already on 24. That's pretty good. Okay, so let me just like write this. So, cause was it 9, 3? Oh, that's not 9, because we're subtracting, not adding. I mean, for the beginning of the year, you literally just start with adding and subtracting decimals. I mean, like, how much easier can you get? When was it? Okay, 1, 2, 5, 5, so 5.521, and then 2, 3, 7. Okay. Then one more question, unless I want to. Nah. What is it? Okay. Okay, I'm done with math. I'm done with homework. I'm out. Why isn't this ending?